Miss Mary, what was Miami like when you were a child?
I was born in West Point, Mississippi. And from there, my parents were sharecroppers. And so they weren't making a decent living. My parents brought me to Miami in 1956. My parents had 9 children, and I'm the second oldest. Miami was great. As a matter of fact, I love Miami. And if I didn't have to buy another house, I would go back there any day. I have 2 children in Miami. I have 13 grands that are still in that area. And I have 5 great-grands that are still in that area. As a child in Miami, we did things like hopscotch, and we had car tires that we would actually roll down the sidewalk. That was our little car. You know, we were going down the sidewalk. Back when I was growing up, everything was outside. You love the outside.
Miss Mary, what was the best piece of advice you got as a child?
The very best piece of advice I got was from my mom. My mom always believed in the Lord. She always wanted us to go to church and be on this committee, be on that committee, do this. Anything that said anything about the Lord or Jesus, my mom would stick us in there.
Miss Mary, what is the accomplishment you're most proud of in your life?
I'm most proud of, after I graduated from high school, I was able to get a job at the telephone company in Miami. At that time, it was Southern Bell. So I was able to work for them for 35 and a half years. And I loved when I was able to retire, young, still having energy to do things. So that was great, my retirement.
Miss Mary, what was it like working at the telephone company?
While I was working there, I had several positions. What was 911 operator, the 611 operator sometimes. We had the big phones with the rotary dials, and you had to dial a number. And most of them, they call them party lines. There was 2 people on one line. They were cheaper.
Miss Mary, since you've turned 60, what have you done to embrace positive aging?
I have gotten into volunteering, and I volunteer mostly at Southside. And at Southside, we have a program called Healthy for Life, and lots of exercises. I like walking. I would go to Cascade Park. Sometimes I would walk 5 miles, and it's great because it keeps you healthy. It keeps you, I would say it keeps you happy, because while you're walking, there's so many people you walk by. Good morning, how you doing? You know, we have a great time out there in the park just walking.
Miss Mary, what are some of the things you're most passionate about?
I'm most passionate about my great-grandchildren. You have children and then you have grands, but when you get into the greats, it's like you've accomplished something. And even though I didn't have them, but I've accomplished something. And when I go they live in West Palm Beach, I just have a great time with them.
What do you know now that you wish you knew when you were my age?
It's important to, number one, know yourself. Because there's sometimes in my life, there are situations that come up and I want to jump on them. But then I say, no, Mary, that's not for you. And you learn what is good and what is not good. And you learn that from experience.